Hey guys, what is up? Aaron from Vigilante Motors. All right, so today we're going to do some restoration on the Jeep, some frame restoration. We have some pitting going on, and I want to try to take care of that. Obviously, I can't sandblast it. I just don't have the equipment. And remember, this channel is about basic common tools that everybody can have and own, and they're pretty cheap to have and afford. So I'm going to use an angle grinder, which you can pick up for anywhere like 15 to 25 bucks for a decent one. Some wire wheels on the angle grinder, and an 80 grit flat disc, what they call it, a sanding disc on that angle grinder as well. So we're going to try to get some of this pitting off just with those common items. Let's get to it. There's just something about resurrecting an old vehicle and bringing it back to life that I don't know what it is, but I love every second of it. I love getting in and working on the bones of this thing. And, it's far from doomed for the junkyard, but it is 22 years old. I love being in here in the trenches. right, so that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video today. There is a lot more restoration to come on this, so please stay tuned for that. But I'm pretty satisfied with the work we were able to accomplish today with a simple angle grinder. I think that thing cost me like 15 bucks, and the attachments all together, the 2 wire brushes and the flap disc was like another 10 bucks. So pretty cheap tool. And if you look at the rear, we were able to really get down to almost bare metal and get most of the pitting out, which really makes me happy. I'm super stoked about that. We were able to accomplish the skid plate for the transfer case pretty well on the edge right there, although there's still a lot of pitting. And the front axle tube, we were able to really get all that gunk and grime off, and now we can probably paint that again. So really satisfied, guys, with what we were able to accomplish with a really simple basic hand tool. Again, cost you 25 bucks at most for a decent one. If you guys like this video, want to see more, hit the thumbs up button and comment below that you want to see more. And if you guys can subscribe to the channel, I would greatly appreciate it. Trying to grow this channel, and I know with your help and support, we absolutely will. So I am Aaron. This is Vigilante Motors. Till next time, y'all. Peace.